Used to wear those tags for rank and file, ID in case things went hostile. But somewhere between the dust and fear, you wrote your love across that steel so clear. Your name scratched faint on the backside plate, right next to blood type number fate. Every time they hit my chest, I knew no matter where I was, I carried you. Now they hang from the rear view in my truck, clinking soft when I hit a rut. You reach up, thumb across the bend, say those tags brought my baby home again. I ain't the man who led back then, but you still love the soul within. Your name's still there, won't but show proof of what we both endured. A piece of metal, a piece of you, both kept my beating heart in tune. Got your name on my dog tags, written where the world once dragged, right by the place that says who I am. Blood and bone and broken man, yeah. If I ever hit the dirt again, they'll know who loved me till the end. Some vows live in rings and vows. Ours lives in scratched up